Hey everybody, Chad Hyams here, author of bestseller Achieve Your Apex. Hopefully, you've got your copy somewhere within reach. Mine's right there. And host of this podcast. Okay, welcome to the Momentum series. These are going to be 4 short episodes that I've built to help you build, protect, regain, and master momentum because it is something we need at all times in our life because momentum is like a wave we'll get into where it keeps coming and keeps going. It's what separates those who start strong from those who finish stronger. You see, and if you're listening right now and you're feeling a little flat, maybe your pace has dipped, maybe the seasons are shifting, this series is absolutely for you. Because here's the truth. Momentum isn't about waiting for the right season. It's about learning how to create one. So let's talk about the truth about momentum. It should be like some big echo or something that comes with that. Okay, so let's get real. You are not designed to feel motivated every day. That's not a personal flaw. That's how your body works. If you were motivated every day, that would just become your state of being and you would never be motivated. Makes sense? Think about that one for a second. Research from the University of London actually found that motivation naturally fluctuates by almost 50% across a day and even more over a year. So when fall hits, might be happening right about now, depending when you're listening to this, when the days start to get darker, when your energy starts to dip, that's just your biology talking. Right? The pros, they don't just wait for the spring. They don't hibernate. They act their way into motivation. Action creates motion. Motion creates evidence. Evidence builds belief, and belief fuels momentum. That's the formula. Let me repeat it one more time if you missed it. Action creates motion. Motion creates evidence. Evidence builds belief, and belief fuels momentum. Just because the seasons change doesn't mean your system shouldn't. Now, if you've noticed that the year feels like it's slowing down already, there are fewer hours of sunlight. You might not even realize it. The mornings are just a little colder. I wish for that here in Florida. Okay. Or you just have that subtle mental fog, and you know who you are that I'm talking to. Okay. That is your signal to build structure, not surrender to slumps. Think of farmers. They don't stop in the fall season, they harvest. They shift their focus from planting to reaping. Momentum is the exact same. You adjust your inputs without abandoning the output. Maybe the summer energy is gone. Fine. Trade intensity for consistency. Trade speed for direction. Because the truth is, it's easier to stay in motion than just start over at the beginning of the year again and again. Keep moving because motion creates the evidence. Most people think that momentum is a feeling, that burst of motivation that makes everything click. The truth? Momentum is mechanical, not emotional. Huh? Momentum, mechanical, not emotional. It's physics. An object in motion stays in motion. You've heard that before. If you want to get moving again, don't look for inspiration. Look for friction because friction creates traction. That's why I talk about micro momentums. One small, okay, intentional action that flips the switch. No, go run 5 miles because you got to get going again. Just lace up your shoes. Okay. Don't worry about, you got to write the whole report. Just open the document. Don't worry about, we have to plan the whole next quarter. No, just review the last one. The smallest steps break the biggest stalls. getting into motion is key. So let's talk about the science of starting small. Stanford psychologist BJ Fogg proved that small, simple actions compound faster than ambitious ones. Okay, when that first step is too big, your brain resists it. When it's small enough to feel easy, follow through will actually skyrocket. The dopamine hit keeps coming because every action completed releases dopamine. That's your brain's natural reward signal. Okay. This chemical reward tells your mind, do that again. I want more of that. Do that again. Okay. So when your energy dips, you don't need grand gestures. You need momentum triggers. That one phone call, that easy 5 or 10 minute walk, that checklist tick just to start the checklist going. Every done fuels the next do. We need motion before motivation is showing up. Notice the first 4 letters are the same. We need the motion because it's at the beginning of motivation. So, making this simple for you. Planning feels safe, yet it rarely creates movement. A lot of people will sit through planning classes, plan to do things, plan their vacation, plan whatever it is. Planning feels safe, yet does not usually create any movement. Momentum doesn't start with a whiteboard. It starts with a physical act. I had a client who once said to me, I just don't feel ready to go back to the gym. So we cut the plan and we came up with one single order. Put on your sneakers and drive there. No workout required. The next day, put on your sneakers, drive there, go inside. The third day, the workout began. Action first, emotion second. Don't think your way into motion. You move your way into thinking. You don't think your way into motion. You move your way into thinking. Here's the real power move, okay? Stop chasing motivation and start cultivating momentum. Harvard Business Review found that people who take immediate, imperfect action build long-term confidence nearly 40% faster than those who wait for perfect timing. Immediate, imperfect action is going to move you better and faster than those who wait for perfect timing. Every micro action becomes a vote for your identity, a vote that says, I follow through, I take action. And the more you vote, the more you believe. Confidence is not built in your head, it's built in habits. Okay, now we have a challenge right now if you're listening to this right now, because it's seasonal switch up time. Okay, the environment is changing. Your energy is changing because of that. You might love autumn if you're listening to this at this moment. You might love that the heat is breaking, yet psychologically you're going to the stores and already seeing Christmas stuff before you realize that the heat breaking actually means cold is here. Okay, so as your environment changes, your energy changes. Create one anchor habit that's going to ground you. Maybe you always take a walk at sunrise. Maybe you have to bundle up a little bit more as it gets cooler. Maybe you have a new playlist for work that you play every day on your way in. Maybe you do a 10-minute reset every afternoon where after you eat lunch, you take 10 minutes of a meditation break just to yourself. Whatever it can be, write it down and do it every day for the next week. Okay, if you're feeling stuck, remember, the season might shift, the sunlight might fade, yet you are the one who's still in control of all of it. Momentum isn't weather dependent either. It's choice dependent. Okay, now in the next episode, we're going to talk about how you protect that momentum when life gets loud. Because it's one thing to start moving. It's another to keep that rhythm when the world keeps interrupting you. If you want more tools like this, grab your copy of Achieve Your Apex. It's available on Amazon. It's available Audible, or you can go to achieveyourapex.com and order it right from my website. Until then, protect your energy. Take a step this week. Start to build momentum. And as always, keep climbing.